Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I'll show you how to set up uploading new rows from Google Sheets to Smartsheet. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new lines from Google Sheets to other systems. For example, in Smartsheet, to create new rows, each time a new row is added to Google Sheets, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Google Sheets data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get Rows New. At this stage, you need to connect your Google Sheets account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the username and password of your Google account. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account by ticking all actions. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to specify the file and sheet from which the data will be unloaded. In the field Start Data Loading with Row Number, you must specify the row number from which you want to start uploading data. For example, if you have 1000 rows in the table and you do not want to transfer all these rows, you need to specify the number 999 in order to start downloading from the last one. I have 2 rows in my table, so I will specify 2. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your rows in Google Sheets. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Google Sheets data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data reception. Select Smartsheet as the data ingestion system. Next, you need to select an action, Add Row. At this stage, you need to connect your Smartsheet account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to enter the login and password from your Smartsheet account. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, first you need to specify the sheet in which the data from Google Sheets will fall. Please note that if you previously gave a name to your columns, they will be displayed next to the corresponding fields. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Google Sheets. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Smartsheet. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Smartsheet. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.